Hey guys, thank you so much for taking my call, and a special thanks to Lori for giving me permission to send this video over to you guys. I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy over there in Topeka, especially with all the rain and stuff we've been getting lately. So I'm just going to make this super brief, okay? The point of this video is just simply to just educate you and to give you some information on how to become more relevant online and how to use your website to the best of its capability, okay? So first and foremost, when I was fiddling with your website before we started, I did like the so I'm highlighting all your words, obviously, because I'm about to do something with it. I did like the picture of the owner on here, and then obviously I like the picture of you guys actually doing the work. It actually builds trust with your customers, and it shows and obviously having the location and all that, seeing that you guys are a local company, it actually builds a lot of trust, right, with your potential customers. And I wanted to say that's really good. So as I highlighted all the words here, Google has a thing where they call it an authoritative website, okay? And an authoritative website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 keywords on their homepage alone, okay? Now, as you can see here, you have 627 words on your homepage. And seeing that you have 627 words on your homepage, it shows even if you're able to eclipse that 1,000-word mark, that would greatly increase your visibility, okay? And by visibility, meaning Google would be able to find you a lot easier, especially when someone's asking a question like Kansas carpet cleaning or carpet cleaning Topeka, Kansas, you know, things like that, right? They're able to pull your website up, right? So that's my first tip for you, okay? Now, the second thing that I want to talk to you about today are backlinks, okay? Now, backlinks are anywhere backlinks are basically a popularity contest on Google, okay? Now, the two things that we're going to talk about today are referring domains and the backlinks here, okay? They kind of go hand in hand, okay? Now, this tool that I'm using is called Ahrefs, and basically what it does, it kind of peels back the curtain, kind of shows me kind of what's going on in the background, okay? It breaks down some stats, as you can see here, things like that, okay? Now, obviously, this is a tool, and you can use any type of tool that you want. If you just wanted to Google like backlink checker for free or like keyword researcher for free, something like that, and you can basically see what I'm seeing here, okay? Now, referring domains, what those are, I put your website here just so you know. So what referring domains are just basically the number of websites that are linking to you. Okay, and then the backlinks means the number of times that these websites are linking to you. Okay, so it's showing here that you have 44 other websites that are, 44 other websites that are linking to you, that are pushing traffic to you, and they're doing so 117 times. Okay, it's showing here that your web page has about 70 keywords. Okay, 6 of them are on the top 3, which is good to see, bringing you a total of 149 people to visit your website per month. Okay. And also, you got a total of $584 in traffic value, which is not bad, okay? So I went on ahead and did the same thing with your top local competitor, okay? And it was Andy's Cleaning, all right? So as you can see here, they have 152 backlinks and 34 referring domains. So 34 other websites linking to them that are pushing traffic to them, and they're doing so 152 times. They have less organic keywords than you do. None of them are in the top 3. But yet they have more people visiting their website per month, okay? They have less in traffic value, but they're still outranking you in Google, okay? More people are seeing them than they're seeing you. Now, the reason that's the case is that their referring domains and their backlinks aren't having to work as hard as yours are, okay? Here, you have 44. And they only have 34. Okay, so your referring domains are having to work, 1.5 times as hard to try and get the amount of traffic that you're getting here. Okay, now this is super easy, right? If you wanted to just go in here into Andy's Carpet Cleaning referring domains and see kind of where they're getting their traffic from, so it looks like they're getting most of that from Easy Local. And let's see, yeah, we've got another one here, Mountain States CFC. Yeah, so if you wanted to get the best of what they have here and just put them on your own, right? That would greatly increase your visibility on Google. That would have that'll bring a lot more traffic to you, and you'd be number 1 in the organic section of Google. Okay. Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about today are citations, okay? Now, citations are anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, okay? And I mean to be found like your business address, your business phone number, and your business name has to be in those directories, okay? Now, a directory is like yellow pages, you've got white pages, you've got Home Advisor, Angie's List, Yelp, just right off the bat, right? Those 5, and obviously there's thousands more that you can put your businesses in, and even some that are local to Topeka. Now, as long as your business had more citations than your competitors, then you take this #1 spot here, okay? Now, if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? I don't know if you're like me, but I usually don't scroll down here to the 2nd or 3rd page of Google to find what I'm looking for, okay? So this is kind of where you want to be at. And as you can see, Andy's Cleaning Company is #2, all right? So say if Andy's Cleaning has anywhere between, I don't know, 100 to 150 different citations, well, then I would definitely want to one-up them and put up like 200, 250. So put my business in 200 or 250 different directories, and that would greatly increase your visibility as well. That would increase the amount of people that are looking at your website, that are calling you, that are in need of your services, and that would increase your placement here. It doesn't matter where you are in Topeka. This is the best part. It doesn't matter where you are in Topeka, right? As long as you have more citations than your competitors, location does not matter. As long as you're registered in Topeka, as long as your Google business profile is under Topeka, well, then you'd take this #1 spot here, okay? So just to kind of recap, so the first thing is content, ensuring that you eclipse that 1,000-word mark, right? Just to ensure that Google's able to find your website a lot easier. Second one is taking your competitors' backlinks and using them as your own so that you can rank organically, again, making you so much easier to find. And then lastly, and probably the most important, is increasing your citations, okay? That way you can take this #1 spot here. Now, you have a choice, right? Obviously, you can take all this information yourself, utilize it, and I've seen a lot of people, you know, do this all themselves and, you know, take advantage of these tips and do amazing, okay? And your other option, obviously, if you're looking to outsource some help, you could definitely reach out to me and I can see what I can do to help you. If you just needed some advice, obviously, I mean, you could definitely just reach out to me, call me, or call Joshua, who's my partner, who you talked to a few days ago, and we could see what we can do to help you, okay? So thank you so much for your time. I appreciate the time that you took to watch this video. Again, Lori, thank you so much for giving me permission to send this video over to you guys, and you all have an amazing day.